You eager to discover the secrets of building wealth in your 20s? Well, you are in luck because I've got 5 game-changing steps that will set you on the path to financial success. Don't worry if you're feeling a little lost or unsure about where to start. Step 1, the learning phase. Investing in your learning is the key to unlocking your potential. Start by acquiring valuable skills that can boost your earning power. Now, I know it can be overwhelming at first. Many of us find ourselves unsure about which direction to take. That's why I recommend experimenting with different options in your 20s. But don't get stuck in a never ending learning loop without taking action. Let me share a real life example to illustrate this. Imagine you are drawn to the allure of software engineering because it seems like a lucrative field. So you dedicate 6 months to learning coding only to realize it's not your true passion. That's okay. You pivot and explore finance, setting your sights on a career in Wall Street. After another 6 months, you find your calling and may even consider further education like an MBA. Remember, it's about constantly leveling up your skills and knowledge in your chosen field. Step 2, turning learning into earnings. Now that you have acquired valuable skills in a specific finance sector, let's say investment banking, it's time to put them to work. Start by joining different investment firms, and as you climb the ladder, don't forget to invest even small amounts of money. Along the way, make connection with future leaders, founders, and perhaps even billionaires. Your network will become an invaluable asset driving your success. Step 3, creating an empowering environment. Surround yourself with like minded individuals who share your aspirations. Building a supportive network of people who are on a similar journey can make a world of difference. These connections will uplift you, provide guidance, and help you navigate the challenges that come your way. Step 4, strategic investments. Picture this, it's 3 a.m. and you stumble upon a company with tremendous growth potential. Something about it captures your attention and you believe it could be a major game changer. So you trust your instincts and consider making an investment that could yield substantial returns. Strategic investment can be a pivotal factor in building wealth. Step 5, embracing the long-term mindset. While everyone gets caught up in the daily ups and downs of the stock market, you adopt a different approach. You have a long-term vision that guides your investment decisions. By focusing on the bigger picture and resisting short-term temptations, you set yourself up for steady and sustainable growth. Now you have the blueprint for building wealth in your 20s. But remember, it's not about Hollywood style drama. It's about taking one step at a time and making progress. The choice is in your hands. Will you seize this opportunity to transform your financial future or will you let it slip away?